Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, little champions. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. I'm Samia Kaval. I'm working in Barrier Town International Academy as a prep class teacher. This is our maths lecture of C3. Welcome to all of you. Let's start our day. How we start our day? In the name of Allah Ta'ala. So everyone raise your hand for dua. Dua for learning. That is Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Ameen. What you need for today's lecture? Look at my screen. The first one is your maths workbook C3. Then one pencil and eraser and some colors. Make sure you have all these things near to you so you can do your work easily. What you are going to learn today? What are the objectives? The first one is identify number sentences with the same answer. Demonstrates understanding of the value of 0 in subtraction. What is the value of 0 in subtraction? We will find it. Identify heavy and light objects. And the last one is discuss the concept of mass in terms of heavy and light. We will find out the objects of heavy and light. Let's start our lesson. Look at my screen. Everyone open page number 23. Maths workbook. Page number 23. Unit number 3. Before starting this page, let me tell you one thing. That is, this lesson, this lecture is for those students who have missed the live sessions of Tuesday and Wednesday. So we are revising for them. They can complete their work. So before starting doing this page, what you have to do? You have to write your today's date. And what is the date today? Today is 14.1.2021 2021 space h.t again space and the day is Thursday. Day should be capital in Thursday. And write your date in a proper format and then come on number line, find out the missing numbers. Last two numbers are missing, 19 and 20. 20. Complete your number line, then come on activity, that is 3.7 and it's about woolly gloves. What they are asking, match the number sentences that have the same answer. Now first we will do the subtraction questions, then we will find out the same answer, then we will match them. So the first one is, I'm gonna start from blue one, glove. There is written 5 minus 2 is equal to, there is a square box. You have to write your answer here. If you want to make lines, so you can make 5 lines on number 5, then cross out 2. 5 minus 2, so we will cross 2 lines and count the leftover. 3 lines are left, that is your answer. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. You are going to write number 3 in a square box, that is your answer. Come on the next one, 7 minus 3. Again you are going to make 7 lines, or if you want to do with your fingers, it's up to you. The easiest way to make lines. So make 7 lines here and cross out 3 lines. Then count left over the lines. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Exactly, excellent. So you are going to write number 4 in a square box. That is your answer. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Come on, next one. Number 3. That is 6 minus 1 is equal to, yes, it's very easy. 6 minus 1. In fact, you can do it with your fingers. Yes, open your 6 fingers. then fold 1, count the left fingers, and these are 5. Yes, your answer is 5. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Come on the next one, 8 minus 2. You can make 8 lines here, then cross out 2. How many lines are left? 6. Excellent. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now come on the right side of the page, the green gloves. The first one is 9 minus 3 is equal to, you have to write your answer here. You can make your lines, 9 lines, make 9 lines on number 9, then cross out 3 lines. Then you need to count the leftover lines. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 is your answer, write in a square box. Then 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. The next one is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And the last one is 8 minus 4 is equal to, you can make 8 lines here, then cross out 4. Then you need to count the leftover lines. How many lines are left? 4. Excellent. What else you have to do? Match the number sentences that have the same answers. Now you need to find the same answers, same numbers. Look at the first one. The first one is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Your answer is 3. You need to find in green gloves. Yes, here is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now match it like me. The second one is 7 minus 4. Your answer is 4. You need to find out the 4. Number 4 in green gloves. The last one, excellent. And the next one is 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Where is number 5? Find out. Yes, second glove. And the last one is 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Yes, the first one glove is left. So you are going to match with it. Come on the next page, page 24. The last page of this unit. Again you have to write the same date, 14.1.2021 space h.t, again space, and the day is Thursday. T should be capital in Thursday. Then which number is missing in number line? Exactly, all the numbers are missing here. So you are going to start from number 11, 1, 1, 11, then 12, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last one is 2020. 11 till 20 you have to complete your number line. Then come on activity 3.8, and this is about going home. The farmer is taking the sheep back to their home. Is there any sheep on this page? Yes, there are 4 sheep with the farmer and they are going back to home. What we have to do? Subtract and write the answers. Join the numbers in the circle from 10 to 1 to take the sheep home. Then the last one is color the sheep's home. Okay, now we will subtract the given numbers. I'm gonna start from 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0 is equal to, there is a circle. You have to write your answer in a circle. So what is the value of 0? 0 means nothing. 0 has no value. So we will write the same answer in the circles. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. We are not crossing any number. So you are going to write number 10 in a circle. Then 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. 9 minus 0, sorry 5. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Then 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. And 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Now You have to match the circles to find the sheep's home. Start matching like me. 10 to 9, 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 1, 2 to 3 to 2, sorry, then 2 to 1. Now here I found sheep's home in a white color, so you're going to color it. Next to 1 there is a sheep home. The last one task is you have to color it. Color the sheep's home. Now open page number 33, unit number 5. We are leaving unit number 4. We will do it in the school. So come on unit number 5, page number 33, maths workbook C3, and you have to write the same date, 14.1.2021 space h.t again space, and the day is Thursday. Then come on the activity 5.1 at the music shop. This is about musical instruments. What they are asking, color the musical instruments. Now look at the page. Who is standing in the picture? One boy and one girl. And what they are saying, by the way, the boy is saying this is heavy. What is heavy? Excellent. He is holding guitar and he is saying this is heavy. And the girl, she is holding shakers and she is saying these are light. If we compare shakers to guitar, then shakers are light. So the girl is saying these are light and the boy is saying this is heavy. What else on this page? Yes, there is a drum. Then there is a conga drum. It is also kind of drum. And the last one is violin. You have to color all the musical instruments. 5 instruments on this page. So color it very neatly. Come on the next page, page number 34. Write the same date top of the page, 14.1.2021 space h.t again space, and the day is Thursday. Where you are going to write, Mayur is telling you, top of the page, touch with the line and find out which number is missing in a number line. Yes, no number. So all the numbers are written 11 till 20. Then come on the activity musical instruments. What they are asking, circle the instruments that are light. Yes, we need to find out the light instruments, then we will circle them. The first one is shakers. Are they light or heavy? Yes, light. So you are going to circle the first picture, and these are shakers. Come on the next. Number 2 picture is flute. Yes, it is also light. You can hold it easily. So circle the picture. The next one is trumpet. Is it easy or heavy? Is it light or heavy? Yes, heavy. So leave it. Come on the next. Tambourine. Yes, you can hold it easily. So it is light instrument. So circle it. Tambourine. Next one is harp. It is difficult to hold it. So leave this harp. Come on the next. Triangle. Yes, it is light object. So you are going to circle it. The last 2 pictures, guitar and piano. We can't pick them up easily. So these are the heavy objects. I circled 4 pictures. The first one is shakers, flute, tambourine, then triangle. These 4 pictures are light objects, so I circled them. What else they are asking? Color the instruments that are heavy. So 4 pictures are left: trumpet, harp, guitar and piano. These are the heavy objects. We are going to color them. Yes, 4 pictures are circled and 4 are left, and these are heavy objects. We are going to color them. Don't color in the circled pictures, that will be wrong. You need to color the leftover the pictures like trumpet, harp, guitar and piano. This is all about today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. See you tomorrow inshallah. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.